sending vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, welcome to another video, and this is my birthday prep vlog. So today I'm going to make my hair. As you can see, I washed it this morning. So I'm going to make my hair and my nails because I have a shoot tomorrow. So today is the last day of September 30th, and my shoot is tomorrow, 1st of October, and my birthday is October 6th, next week Wednesday. So I have something that's dropping on Wednesday, so you guys will love it. So I'm going out now to make my hair and my nails, and I will be taking you guys, so you guys just sit back, relax and enjoy yourselves and watch me switch up. Okay.
Yeah. All I get a break at the baby.
You and I.
Girl, now you the ginger. If you know how you the cause it drop. Shit, you know go one person. Love the way you the dance, girl. I am we made you. Why you can't love fire? Mommy, be cool. Let's hop in my Maserati. Baby, hop in my Maserati. I said hop in my Maserati. Hop in my Maserati. Girl, I wanna see you go down. Yeah, say me I love the way you bend body. Hop in my Maserati. Baby, hop in my Maserati. And I just wanna see you right. Somebody needs somebody. My body needs your body. I'm more checker, all of you. Somebody needs somebody. My body needs your body. I'm more checker, all of you. Let me give you butterfly. Say now you didn't mesmerize me. I'm out to show to civilize. I like the way I'm feeling now. No confuse your regrets, but my blues I'm written now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I'm why you got smart with the stress me, but right now I'm chilling now.
Way out my feelings and nothing can stress me. The way I run the game, I'm feeling like referee. No, like Moses parting the Red Sea, like a chauffeur, me in the back of the Bentley. So I step out, all white, can't stain. What you want? Rosé, champagne? I got that, big bag, back pain. Taking the piss, the only time I can't aim. So we toasted a good life, living every minute to the full, cause I could die. Pull up at the spot, open doors and it's suicide. Chilling rent free, where the check please, couple hundred G's on a good night.
I like the way I'm feeling now. No come use your regrets, but my blues I'm written now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I'm why you got smart with the stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. I like the way I'm feeling now. No come use your regrets, but my blues I'm written now. No.
It's a day that you have made. We're going to rejoice. We're going to be glad in you. Be exalted our Father in Jesus. Amen.
To be praised.
Hi guys, and my mom.
What are you looking for? Is it your video?
No.
I'm tired.
No.
I'm ready to pack 4 girls in one family. This is what you get.
Yes, so that's what you get.
I just said both of you drinking. I was like,
In the audio of your life.
That was bad. I'm not taking.
Anyways, so I came for my auntie's babies, basically my baby. my child's name. I came for my child's name. Do you understand? Yes. So we have finished the name, but I'm just filming the introduction. Don't worry. You people will watch it like that. But yeah, that's just basically what happened. And this is my outfit. I'm looking like a princess. And we finished the name. The name was really early in the morning, like 7:30, and it was really quick. And the baby is bearing my name. My name is Esther. It's so sweet. So you guys will watch the full naming video. I shoot, and you guys can see my pictures. Hey, I look so nice, if I say so myself. So thank you for clicking to watch this video, and I will see you in the next video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and wish me a happy birthday. Okay, and send me a birthday gift, so please let's help the growth of this channel. Thank you.
You had to make it vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. Bloody somebody that protect my energy from your bad aura. Then my pastor say I be my healer. Everything I desire I go receive. My rhythm flow like a river. If you get yawa, come on go and sit down. I go just para. Come off my jigger. I go just follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, there's nothing kill my vibe. There's nothing kill my vibe. You know fit kill, you know fit kill, you know fit kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you gauging my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day.